Yeah?
Say, where's Larry Bird?
Where's Larry Bird?
Where's Larry Bird?
There you are.
I'm coming!
No, Caleb. No, 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 no. This is a yummy dessert. Yep, I made it myself. Oh, this was a tasty treat.
Say,
No. Now,
say Larry Bird.
Larry Bird. Let's open the birdhouse. Let's open the birdhouse for lives. Lives of the indulgence. Oops. That might have been well. Yay! The birdhouse is open. Now, time to go in. Well, there's such more rooms to discover.
Hey,
Yep. It's more like birdhouse of a complaining. No, it's more like birdhouse of the complaints that we can cheer up and go wow and go like crazy in there like it is. Well, the birdhouse, it's complaining of the indulgence. Yep. And it's easy for the complaining, so it's time to ride for Slingshot. Well, it's almost the end. Almost. Okay. Here I go. Crash. Here we go. Crash. Okay, here it goes. Mr. Baba. So that's like the indulgence. Do it right on. When you shake a booty, blah 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 blah.